In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Organis, that's Multivendor organic food and Gozi Laravel eCommerce scripts. And I will be using codeless for this testing purposes. So let me go straight to my codeless.cc. First, I open a new tab. Then I click on codeless.cc, enter. Then I click on the search engine to write the name of the script I'm looking for, Organis, or let me just come here straight, Organis, yes, NIS, then enter. Here is the script. I click on it, and then I scroll down to select the link to download the script. Please don't forget I'm using codeless for testing purposes, so please use link in description to download the link to download the script. Then I copy, open a new tab, paste it there, and enter again. Next, I click on download to download the script, but I have already downloaded the script, so I don't need to download. So I just close it. I go to my computer, download. So here is it. Now here is the script I downloaded. Then I extracted it. Here is the extracted file. Let me open it. I open it. I open it as well. So here is this file I'm sending to my cPanel, but I am to send a zip file to my cPanel, so that's why I zip it. Here is the zip file. So this is what I'm going to send to my cPanel. Let me go straight to my cPanel. Then next I go to my file manager for my cPanel. I click on File Manager. Then I go to my subdomain because I'm using a subdomain for this testing purposes. So I go to my subdomain. Here is it. I have already uploaded the script. Here is it. Look at it. Here is it. Organis V. As you can see, it's the same. So next I extract. I right click on it. Then I click on extract. Extract files. I scroll down. Okay, all is ready, and I close. After that, I double click to open it. I select all. Then I'm moving to the root folder. Move files. Up on level. So now I have successfully uploaded my scripts to my cPanel. So next I create my database. I come back to my cPanel. So my database. Let me name my database as ABCD. Then I create my database. I click on go back after creating the database. Yes, I click on into my add user. After creating the database, I say let me name it as user. Database. So it's giving me an error that the okay. Which user? And next I click on go back again. Now I have created the database. I have created user. Yes, I'm adding the users to the database. I will make sure I select one I just created. The database I just created, then add. I give all privileges and then scroll down to make changes. Now I've successfully created my database. Now I will upload. Let me go back to my cPanel. I will upload my demo database to my database. So, but how am I doing that? I go to PHP my admin. Select the name of the database I just created. I import. Choose file. There is it. Then I select it, open. Yes, I scroll down to import. To import. Import has been successful. Next, I will go back to my file manager. My subdomain, my .env. I'm going to edit it. Edit. So I'm editing these three parts: database, username and the password. So let me go back to my database. Okay, I want to copy the name of my database I just created. Okay, this is it. That's the name of the database. I insert it here. Then I save changes. Now we saved success. I can now close this. I open a new tab. I'm done with it. Let me just go to straight to my subdomain. Wow, finally I'm done. I've successfully installed it. Let me close it. I've successfully installed my script. From here I can go to anywhere I want. So please like, share and subscribe to my videos. If this video is helpful, use link in the description to buy me coffee. Don't forget, I use code just for testing purposes. Use link in the description to download the script. Thank you for watching.